In this tutorial, we're gonna introduce statements to you, which is not gonna be long, video. And the first step is a definition for statements. My definition is any executable part of your code is a statement. So let's get to examples. First example is a is equal to 10, which is a statement. Second one is print a, or third one is type a. Each one of these are a different statement. So let's try this on code. And first statement was a is equal to 10. If you write this, it means you created a statement. And second one was print a. This line of code is a statement, and third one was type a, which is integer. And this is a different statement from print. So we're done in this one. See you in next one.